Well, it's almost time for the holidays, and that means a lot of baking and cooking. And if you are not much of a cook, it can be tough. Deja Brown has more on a cooking class that you can take to help you feel more at home in the kitchen.
Hey there, it's Deja Brown, and would you believe people think I don't know how to cook? Well, I can, but nonetheless, when Thanksgiving rolls around, I know exactly who to call for help. These two brothers who believe that food should bring people together no matter what you're going through.
In a kitchen in Murray, brothers Fernando and Victor are proving that good food and good hearts make the perfect recipe for the holidays.
We've been cooking our whole life. We came from a family of chefs. My dad had restaurants growing up in Acapulco, Mexico. We literally grew up in the second floor of our family restaurant.
The brothers spent years working in fine dining, but when life shifted, they decided to build something of their own. Sobe Eats, a catering and brunch business with a mission of elevating flavors one plate at a time.
It is about family. It is about a background and family traditions to come into life and to bring it into to a restaurant.
And today the chefs are putting me to the test. Let's just hope I don't burn anything. Let's go.
They walked me through this year's Thanksgiving dinner to go, and it includes all the favorites. A wintergreen salad with a maple cinnamon ranch, green bean casserole, creamy mashed potatoes, traditional stuffing, and that slow-roasted turkey breast that we all love.
Now tell me one of your favorite Thanksgiving dishes to make.
Definitely, for me, it's the sides. The stuffing, or some people call it dressing.
We call it dressing.
Yes, it
I've
is.
never heard people call it stuffing before. Who calls it stuffing?
Fernando and Victor, this isn't just business. It's a way to give back.
Enjoy the family, enjoy the moment.
A way to remind families that they don't have to do it all to enjoy it all. And you can tell this kitchen runs on more than just recipes.
See how I did that?
You got the magic touch. Cooking, it's all about emotion. How you feel that day, it will show on your plating.
Now, can I tell you something? The other day I made something with love, and the person I made for said it wasn't quite great, but it was made with love.
It runs on family.
Hard things that we've been through, and to be here having it's amazing.
So whether you're cooking things up this Thanksgiving or taking the credit and getting a little help like I did, call my friends over at Sobe Eats because they have you covered. I'm Deja Brown, and that's what's happening around town.